Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to turn off NVIDIA optimization. First, let's start with GeForce Experience. Open the GeForce Experience application on your computer. You can find it by typing GeForce Experience in the Windows search bar and clicking on it. Once the app is open, look at the top right corner and click the small gear icon to open Settings. In the Settings window, select Games from the menu on the left side. You will see an option called Automatically Optimize My Games. If this option is checked, it means automatic optimization is enabled. Click the checkbox to uncheck it. This will stop NVIDIA from automatically changing your game settings. Next, we will adjust settings in the NVIDIA Control Panel. Right-click on your desktop and select NVIDIA Control Panel from the menu. When the window opens, go to Manage 3D Settings. Under the Global Settings tab, find Power Management Mode. Change it to Prefer Maximum Performance. Then find Threaded Optimization and set it to Off. After making these changes, click Apply in the bottom right corner to save them. If you are using the newer NVIDIA app, open it from your Start menu. Go to Settings, then find the Automatic Game Optimization option. Toggle it off. Now NVIDIA will no longer automatically optimize your games. Thanks for watching.